Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Salāmun ʿalaykum, my darlings. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Zainab, by the way, in case you've forgotten. I'm super excited about today's episode because we're going to be talking about a wonderful, the most spectacular, the most joyous occasion ever, and that's Eid al-Ghadir. Did you know that on the 18th of Dhul Ḥijjah, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, on his way back from Hajj, he held Imam Ali's hand high up and told everyone that, "Oh people, Ali is your Wali, your master, your guardian, your protector, your friend, the one that you're supposed to love and listen to after me." And today we've prepared a special arts and crafts that needs very simple things. You just need some colored paper, safety scissors, some glue, and this little page that you can ask mom or daddy to print out for you. We're going to color them and cut them out and have lots of fun. In case you're wondering, however, what is a wali? Well, I'm glad you asked. A wali is someone who is very close to Allah. They love Allah very much, and Allah loves them too. Because a wali is a person who does very good deeds. They're kind to other people, they love children and orphans, they're very smart and knowledgeable, they're very strong and brave. And Imam Ali alayhi salam and all the wonderful Imams after him had that very quality, all of those wonderful qualities. And that's why Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, after me, you should follow who? Ali. That's right. Because Imam Ali alayhi salam has all the knowledge that a good leader needs. What's the point of following someone if they don't know the way? What's the point of following someone if they're going to get lost, just like we would? So it's very important for us to follow someone who has all the complete and required knowledge to guide us toward Allah and for us to become better people. What else can I tell you about? Of course, the akhlaq of the wali. The Imams were one of the most wonderful, kind, caring, generous, forgiving people ever. And that's one of the very important qualities of a good leader, isn't it? For them to be kind to other people, to be super helpful, not to get angry very fast, for them to protect people who are weaker. It's very important for us at the end of the day to learn about all the different qualities and personalities of our Imams. Because once we learn more about them, we will love them more. And once we love someone, we want to be just like them. They would be our role model. All right, so I'm just going to cut all of these to add to our ladder. And then we're going to need some colored paper. Let me just show you how is our ladder going to look like. Well, we're going to cut 2 long strips right here for them to be the 2 sides of our ladders. And then what paper we have left, because we don't want to waste, we're going to cut into the different steps of our ladder. Why a ladder, Zainab? Why should be a ladder? Well, knowing the Imam is like a ladder. We take little steps one by one so we can get closer to the Imam. And by getting closer to the Imam, we're getting closer to Allah. Allah who loves us, provides for us, and protects us all the time. Right, so we finished cutting up all these bits and pieces that we're going to add to our ladder, and all of them have a special meaning. We also colored them too with nice, vibrant colors. And we're going to stick on the steps of our ladders like this. with our trusted glue stick. Really easy peasy lemon squeezy. As we said, you guys, loving the Imam is like a ladder that we take step by step by step by step by step by step until we get closer to Allah. And the first step to loving the Wali and following Imam Ali and Imam Hassan and Imam Hussein is gaining knowledge about them. We can gain knowledge by reading books, listening to stories, asking people who know, like our mommy or our daddy. What's the second stage, you think? Having love for them. Once we know about their wonderful qualities, once we know how brave and smart and kind and funny they were, we will begin to love them so very much. Right? And once we love them, our personalities would be like the Imams as well. We'll have compassion like they did. We will be kind like they were. Isn't that wonderful to have such a good role model, a strong superhero? And the last stage is following the actions of the Imam. Following the actions of the Imam means standing up to bullies, standing up for what is right, always telling the truth, and having good akhlaq that shines like a bright sun and fills the room with warmth and brightness and color. And of course, once we become really good people, once we follow in the footsteps of the Imam, we can help other people find their way toward the love of Allah as well. Our ladder is ready. Isn't that wonderful? What a colorful ladder we made. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for being with me. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.